The equation of a line passing through a point with a given gradient is given as this: m equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1, where m, of course, your m is your slope and gradient, and the formula is this: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In some cases, the gradient would have been given and you might not need to start looking for the gradient again. You will just substitute the value and the intervals that you have been given. But in a situation where the gradient is not given, you might need to find your gradient using this formula, and then you substitute your whatever you have and your coordinates inside this formula. So for this example now, we have we are asked to find the equation of a line passing through point 2, minus 5 and b of minus 3, 7. So what you just, as soon as you know the formula, my dear, you are good to go. So just write, what's the formula for finding the equation of a line passing through 2 points? The formula is m equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1. So in this case now, our m is not given, so we need to find our m ourselves. Like I said, in some cases, you'll be given m directly, so you might not need to solve for him. But in our situation, since we are not given him, we need to find our m ourselves. And what is the formula for m? Our m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So from the given question, y2 is 7 minus y1 is minus 5 over x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is 2. So with this, we can say that our m 7 minus 5 is going to give us 7 plus 5, which is 12. And then minus 3 minus 2, that's minus 5. So our answer will be minus 12 over 5. Yes, our gradient is minus 12 over 5. Now that we have known our gradient, we will then substitute this into the given formula. So you have minus 12 over 5 is equals to y. What's our y1 again? Our y1 is minus 5. So that will be my y minus 5 over then x. What's our x1? Our x1 is 2. Is what? 2. So x minus 2. So with this, you have that minus 12 over 5 is equals to y plus 5 over x minus 2. Remember, we are looking for the equation of a line, so we'll have to cross multiply, and with this, you have your 5 is bracket of y plus 5 is equals to minus 12 is bracket of x minus 2. So you can decide to expand the bracket. So this equals to 5y plus 25, and this will give us minus 12x plus 24. So if you rearrange, you have 5y is equals to, if you collect like times, you have 5y is equals to minus 12x plus 24 minus 25. So your 5y is equals to minus 12x minus 1. So remember that equation of a line is always of the form what? Y equals to mx plus c. And that is why I'm making an effort to make my y the subject of the formula. So if you divide all through by y, by 5 here, so your y will be equals to minus 12 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So this is the equation of a line that passed through 2 points. That passed through 2 points A and B. I hope this is very clear. I want to believe this is very clear. So let me wrap it up with an example whereby the gradient will be given. Let me round it out with one example whereby the gradient will be directly given, and then we are going to end the class there. Thank you so much. So now look at the second example. Find the equation of a line that passes through point 2, minus 3 and has gradient minus 3 over 4. So you already know the formula. The formula is m is equals to y minus y1 or x minus x1. So in this question, you can see that your gradient has already been given, and your gradient is what? Minus 3 over 4 is equals to y. You can see that you have only just 1 point each for this. So you have 1 point for y and 1 point for x. So this is going to be your y1, and this is going to be your x1, and this is going to be your y1. So your y1 here is what? Is minus 3. So that's y minus 3 over x minus x1 is what? 2. So minus 3 over 4 will be equals to y plus 3 over x minus 2. So if you cross multiply, you are going to have 4 into bracket of y plus 3 is equals to minus 3 into bracket of x minus 2. Can you see that? So after expanding, we are going to have 4y plus 3. 4y plus 3 is equals to minus 3 to bracket of x minus 2. I'm supposed to expand it, sorry. So you have minus 3x plus 6 rather. So after expanding the bracket, I'm going to have minus 3x plus 6. So your 4y will be equals to minus 3x plus 6. If 3 moves from here to the other side, this one will become minus 3. So your 4y is equals to minus 3x plus 3. So dividing all through by 4, we have y is equals to minus 3 over 4x plus 3 over 4. And this is the equation of a line. This is the equation of a line that passes through a point when the gradient is given. So I've given 2 different type of example. I want to believe that you have gotten the explanation, and I would love that you practice more questions at your hand to perfect what we have learned so far. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.